Alright, we have finally made it to Nacpan Beach. Just parked the car and there's a massive parking area for cars and also motorbikes. And we are planning to go and have lunch in the glamping spots here in Nacpan. So let's see, hopefully they can take in walk-ins because we're not planning to stay here, it's just a day trip.
Parking pesos.
Parking pesos. So 30 pesos parking. Yeah. A lot of massage spots, no?
Yeah.
And like hangout spots by the beach. You could rent a beach chair.
1 hour 600.
Not bad. Combination massage pa. Well, do you have 1 hour 499 for Swedish?
Ako sa 2K. Ulit pa ulit-ulit eh, no? Hindi siya sa ritual.
Like, I'll wake up at sunset. So we're here now, Nacpan Beach glamping, and we are going to eat. Alright, table for 4. Can we take this one na lang?
Here? Okay, sure.
Alright. We will explore a little bit to see what this place has to offer.
I love
Nacpan.
rent a sunbed, 500 for 2 beds.
Yeah, let's do that. Morning! Ay, after na pala. This is the smallest?
Same lang lahat.
Ah, okay. So here it is, guys, Nacpan glamping. If you want to stay here, it costs around 10,000 to 15,000 a night, and each tent can fit 2 adults. And if you have a kid, then I think it's allowed as well. So 2 adults and 1 kid. And the toilets are separate. So here's the toilets. So how many toilets per area?
Just only ano ma'am, 4 toilets ma'am. And back to back sa balit, 8 na po lahat ma'am.
So 4 toilets. Sorry. How many cottages? I mean
Sa
tents.
19 tents ma'am.
Okay.
3 to 1 daw.
3 to 1. That's not too bad.
Cottages to 1 toilet.
Yeah.
Ito po yung pool namin ma'am.
Ay, ganda.
Cute.
Sorry.
Yum! It looks so good. Wow. Bon appetit, guys. What happened? Alright, so we are now heading to Ankla to check it out and maybe have some desserts and a place to chill because it's super duper hot. That's nice.
Wait lang.
Oh my gosh, we really needed this. It was so hot. So we booked for, how much is it?
1K.
1,000 each.
Consumable.
Consumable. And you can use the pool and you can hang out in the restaurant and you can eat. And we were just so uncomfortable in the other resort because it was just so stuffy and so humid.
Yes.
And now I feel so much better after that shower. And now we're gonna check out the ocean finally.
Actually, it feels good, no? Like as soon as
after that, my mood has changed so much. I'm like, yes. Yeah, we're heading towards the end of May, and I don't know, this year's just been ultra hot and humid, and Manila has been, parts of Luzon has been having heat wave. So yeah, right, we're gonna go jump in. Chilling by the pool in Ancla, and it was so great. Just, you know, like from a really hot day and just spending the afternoon just hanging out in the pool, it felt really good. If you haven't been convinced on visiting Nacpan yet, for me, I think the main reason why you would come here is to enjoy the massive long stretch of beaches. I'm sure you've seen from the drone shots that this place is really big. Sand is also really soft. So I mean, you wouldn't say it's the same as like Boracay sand, but it's really fine. You could go barefoot. It's a lot more peaceful than El Nido town. The sand is a lot better than Leo. So again, if there's one reason, you come here for the beach. And again, you get the variety, right? You could hang out in Ancla. You can go and get a nice meal at the Nacpan glamping location. Or you could play some sports, which we are going to be doing now. We're gonna go back and play some beach paddle.
Beach paddle talaga?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
and all the colors.
Ay, naman, may spin pa.
Summer. Lonesome dove, folded on the lawn chair in all the colors.
Alright, before I close this vlog, I want to say one more thing that's really great about Nacpan Beach is the amazing sunset. It's really, really nice here, and obviously it's summer now, so you're gonna have perfect full sunsets without the clouds. Super amazing. And apparently at the end, if you could see, there are lots of islands. Apparently you can hike here as well, so it's like a full package if you come here. Thank you guys for watching another vlog here from Nat from the Traveling Foxes, and goodbye from these two ladies. Where's the trash?
Talk to me and tell me all that you've seen, all the colors.